How to find who can see your future posts settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find who can see your future posts settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and then here you will find posts. Click on it and here click this one, who can see your future posts, and as you see here you can manage it, public, friends, and select anything you want and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.